Hello guys, welcome back to TechEasy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about OnePlus Nord Lite and OnePlus Nord Lite Pro leaks. So guys, without wasting in time, let's get started. And before starting the video, I'll just tell about the giveaway winner. The giveaway winner is AJ Arjun, who have won OnePlus Nord. Congratulations to AJ Arjun. I have mentioned the email ID in the description. Please drop a mail to my email ID so that I can deliver the OnePlus Nord. And guys, talking about OnePlus Nord Lite and OnePlus Nord Lite Pro, both are expected to launch below 20k. And guys, talking about specifications in these two devices, OnePlus Nord Lite Pro can be launched with a Snapdragon 690 5G with triple rear cameras, and OnePlus Nord Lite Pro can be launched with Snapdragon 690 or 636 processor, which is not 5G. Guys, talking about pricing of these two devices, OnePlus Nord Lite Pro can be launched at 20k and OnePlus Nord Lite can be launched at 15k. And guys, the base variant of OnePlus Nord Lite Pro is 6 plus 64GB and OnePlus Nord Lite is 4GB plus 64GB. And talking about camera section in these two devices, OnePlus Nord Lite Pro can be launched with triple rear cameras and OnePlus Nord Lite can be launched with dual rear cameras with 48 megapixel Samsung sensor with 8 megapixel ultra wide. In OnePlus Nord Lite Pro we get 2 megapixel macro camera. And guys, talking about front cameras in these two devices, in these two devices we get 16 megapixel of front cameras with a single punch hole display. And guys, talking about displays in these two devices, they are expected to come with 90Hz AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution. And there are no more leaks about the display sizes in these two devices. And guys, talking about the charger type in OnePlus Nord and OnePlus Nord Lite Pro, they are expected to come with 18-watt charger. And guys, talking about the storage type in these two devices, they are expected to launch with UFS 2.1 storage types. And guys, talking about the build quality in these two devices, they are going to come with plastic frame and a glass back, which is not pretty durable, but the cost cutting has been done through the OnePlus. And guys, talking about the gaming performance in these two devices, it gives a pretty good performance in these two devices because the processor of this OnePlus Nord and OnePlus Nord Lite and OnePlus Nord Lite Pro are very close to the performance, as you can see. So guys, that's it in this video guys. If I have missed anything, please let me know in this comment section. I'll answer it surely. So guys, if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe it, and thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next one.